Eric Gibaud, and today I've got something really important to tell you. I didn't expect this. It's not because I'm not in the office that I don't have two cameras. And this is what I want to speak about. I want to speak about freedom. How easy it is to use a small camera to record anywhere you want, and that's important. By the way, I will also tell you a bit about Freewell filter that actually use ND filters to balance shutter speed with this. But the idea is more than that. The idea is to tell you about how you can enjoy recording videos easily if you have things that are easy to try to use all this. So let's start. Today I want to speak about this. Small drones, small action cameras, 360 cameras, smartphone to record videos. The idea is to speak about freedom. How using gear like this, you're always ready to record easy, quick, fast. And obviously there are some technical compromises. This is also why I will speak about the Freewell ND filters are used to balance the shutter speed and get the good results. But the idea is to speak about a way of working, a way of living, and you can enjoy easily creating quick, fast, at any time, in any place. Well, there is light rain, so maybe on this camera is a bit of rain on the filter, doesn't matter. Often when someone tells, or when I say, start recording with what you have, but start. So often people think straight away, yeah, he's telling this, but actually when you check his channel, now he's recording with an S5 II, Lumix, an S5 IIX, indoor, all this. Yeah, that's true. For many reasons, more practical for me. But the reality is, on my channel, there are more than 2,000 videos. Half of them were recorded with an iPhone. I started with the XS Max, or I call it because it's called Max then, I'm not sure. And now I've got the 16 Pro Max. And this is more than half of my videos are recorded with that kind of gear. iPhone. It could be Android also, no problem. And what's about the place? Well, more than half of my videos are recorded outdoor, in cars, in my van. I had a van that was equipped for camping, a camper van. Then I changed it for a camping car, so it was really big. Now I've got this 4x4 car, but I've recorded a lot at any place, anytime. So this is about my experience. I can tell you that works, and I know that my channel, although it's not a massive channel, but still over 100,000 or 110,000 subscribers, I would not get there if it didn't start with what I had then and when I could, at any place, anytime. If I didn't record this way, my channel would still be really small. So what I tell you it works. So here's the Action 6. Actually, I'm recording the sound with my Rode microphone on my iPhone. I'm going to start the Action 6. Okay. Here I've got the Action, the Osmo Nano, sorry, the name is. I'm going to start it, and the Nano is actually placed on the hood here. Okay, it is. There is a Freewell ND filter on that, and as you can see here, I also have a Freewell hub here, and also the VND by Freewell. Now it's raining a lot more, so as you see, this is a perfect situation to illustrate what I want to tell. So often people don't record videos, they don't make content because they are not in the perfect situation. In my life, I had moments where it was really complicated, and I could not have the tranquility and the peace to be able to work. Personal life, I was not alone in my place, but I don't want to speak about that. What I want to speak about is I started to record anytime, anywhere. If you think about this, you think, yeah, but it's not perfect. No, it's not perfect. But it's more important what you have to tell than what you have to show around you, in your house, or perfect setup, all this. So it's important. Understand this. You need freedom. You need to be able to be operating any place, anytime. And of course, there are some technical compromise, and this is what I want to speak about. But change your mind. If you want to record in a car, do it. Some people were laughing at me. They say, oh, this guy's recording in a van, probably he's a poor guy, he's got no money, or whatever. They didn't know my personal situation. It was not a money problem. It was a peaceful problem, okay? If I can tell that. But thanks to many other people that valued what I had to tell more than the surrounding, well, I was able to lift up my channel. So now we're going to speak about the technical side of this. Actually, the first thing people tell you when you speak about action camera, they tell you, yeah, but it looks really artificial. It's not cinematic. Well, actually, the thing is, and they're right, the thing is, whether it's a smartphone or an action camera, maybe this one is an exception, the Action 6, because you can change the aperture from f2 to f4, f2 to 8 and f4, but normally you cannot change the aperture. It means if you cannot lower the ISO, if you cannot change aperture, if there is a lot of light, there's no way you can keep to what we call 180 degree shutter speed. It means that normally if I record at 25 pictures per second, I need to have a shutter speed of 1/50th of a second. If I cannot keep this, then the sensation will not be cinematic. If there is some movement, it will be like tick, 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 tick. Actually, if you capture a frame in a movie, you will see that there is motion blur. If I move my hand like this, it's actually like, it's not sharp, it's moved. And this is what gives this feeling of motion that is nice, it's fluid. If you don't have this shutter speed of 180 degrees, then it's like a lot of pictures that are frozen. And it looks like this. It's not nice. So it's important to get this feeling. So this is why you need to have ND filters. Here I've got some from the Action 6 here. You have a polarizer and normal ones, all this. You get filters like this. Also have for the Osmo Nano here. But sometimes you want to be creative also. So I also have many filters they send me from Freewell. You can have mist filter. This one is well, this one's an ND1000, 10 stop. Maybe you don't want to do videos, you want to do photography. You can actually do a long exposure. Here, this is a mist 1/4. This is a light pollution reduction. You have all this. And obviously, the first thing you need to get when you get an action camera is to get some ND filters. This way, you can control the shutter speed. Because without controlling the shutter speed, the look of your video, your footage is always it's like it shakes. It's not nice, okay? So the first thing you should buy after getting your action camera or your smartphone, here on my smartphone, actually I presented it, I also have a VND filter to be able to control the shutter speed. This is the first thing you need to buy. This is compulsory. By the way, if you wanted to help me, don't forget I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There's a join button just below, and for just €1.99 a month, that gives you that helps me. So I put a small star next to your name, so I know you help me, so I answer your question with priority. And I also have affiliated links in the description. Please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo with Eric 10, get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have, so still use it. And with Eric 10, you get 20% discount on EVOTO AI and even 15 free credits using my link in description. It's a retouch software, fantastic. And with Eric 20, also 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it, that saves you some money. That helps me, that helps you, fantastic. Thank you so much. Let's carry on. Now you're happy about the image quality. The shutter speed is fine, all this, it's okay. There's one thing you need to get right, is the sound. Because unless your video is not about talking or any sound and you put music, that's it. If you have to tell something, it must be heard easily, clear, nicely. So you should invest in microphone. Here I've got the Rode microphone. We can get the DJI microphone. In this case, I would connect directly. Actually, I have them, but I decided to connect to my smartphone and have everything with one microphone to have the same sound, okay? The exposure is not exactly the same because I started to record, but that's normal, okay? I could balance them both. I wanted to record, started to rain, so I started. So it's important. Microphone. If the sound is no good, forget it. People will give up. Another reason why that kind of cameras are fantastic. Maybe you're on a tight budget, you can just afford the camera, or you want to use your smartphone also, but you don't have for a computer. Well, it's possible to edit video on a smartphone or on a tablet. And if we speak about action cameras or 360 cameras, they normally have their own editing software. Obviously, you can use others, but they still deliver with the price of the camera. You have some editing software, so you can edit your videos. So if you're on a budget, that's an investment you don't have to do. You don't have to buy a specific computer for that. You can still edit video on your smartphone. Or maybe it's not a money problem, it's just a traveling problem. You're away from your house, you don't want to bring your computer, you don't have a laptop. Well, you can do it on your smartphone. So this is another big reason for using that kind of cameras. Often when people start, they feel that if they buy a camera, in 2-3 years time, they will buy a second one and they will not match, so they will stop using one or this. And this is a big difference with action cameras or smartphone. You can still use them as a secondary camera or for B-roll. Or sometimes it's not a matter of B-roll, it's simply you go traveling, you don't want to bring your massive heavy camera with you or for security reason, and when you're away you keep shooting, recording with your smartphone or these action cameras. Well, many YouTubers, when we are at home, we feel comfortable and we use our good camera, if I could say like this, but when we go away we use basic gear, well, this is not that basic anymore, but action camera, smartphone, all this. I don't speak about creating a video for Hollywood, I speak about recording something for social networks, and the quality of this is more than enough. So yeah, don't forget this is okay to use this. Another advantage of action cameras is that batteries are cheaper, okay? But you can actually recharge with a power bank like this, and it's really practical. You have this, it's for your smartphone, maybe 2 cameras, you can do everything with it. So this is something you should also get when you can, when you've invested, you still have some money, some budget, get a power bank, and that will charge your action camera really quickly. So this is something to take into account, power bank. There's one sentence I really love from a friend. He says, when someone tells, yeah, but action camera, are they really serious? He says, well, I don't know. But when I look at Red Bull stunts and people jumping from cliffs and things like this, they always on action camera or 360 cameras. So after they publish their video on a really large screen in cinemas and things like this, so I think that must work. And he's right, maybe this is not perfect, but I think this is great. So don't forget this. If you want to get an action camera, the first thing you need to do is to get some ND filters. That's really important, and some microphone, okay? But ND filters, really important. So in case you would be interested by Freewell filters, whether for the Nano, okay, or for the Action 6, there are many type of filters in there. I'll leave you the link in the description so you can get there. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The small button in here, and a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, Gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. I'll remind you I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel for just €1.99 a month. You help me, so I put a small star next to your name and I answer your question with priority. Thank you so much. And I also have affiliated links in the description. Please use them, that really helps me. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo with Eric10, get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still place your code and you save some money. And with Eric20, get 20% on EVOTO AI, a fantastic retouch editing software, retouching skin and bodies and portraits. And with the link, you get 15 credits, so you can really test it for yourself. And with Eric20, you also get 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it, that saves you some money, that helps me, everyone happy. Thank you so much. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much, please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.